Synthetix DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. If you're looking for a robust DeFi platform to trade synthetic assets, Synthetix is a name you've probably come across. In this video, I'll share my honest experience using the platform, covering its core features, who it's best suited for, and what you need to know before diving in. Synthetix stands out for offering synthetic versions of real-world assets like currencies, commodities, stocks, and even cryptocurrencies, all on the blockchain. What makes it unique is that these synthetic assets, or synths, allow users to gain exposure to various asset classes without needing to hold the underlying asset. The platform primarily runs on Ethereum and Optimism, offering significantly reduced gas fees on Optimism, which I highly recommend for smoother, cheaper transactions. Synthetix's staking mechanism is key to its ecosystem. Users can stake the native Synthetix token to mint synths, earn rewards, and contribute to the platform's liquidity. From my experience, staking Synthetix is relatively straightforward, but you do need to understand the collateralization ratio to avoid liquidation risks. Synthetix uses a 400% collateralization ratio, meaning you need to stake 4 times the value of what you want to mint. While that may sound steep, it's essential for maintaining the system's stability, and it rewards stakers with Synthetix tokens and fees from platform transactions. One of the standout features is the ability to trade without slippage. Unlike traditional exchanges, Synthetix uses a pooled debt model, meaning traders aren't matched directly with buyers or sellers. They trade against the pooled collateral. This removes the risk of slippage, which is a big plus, especially for large trades. However, keep in mind that you're responsible for the platform's debt when you stake. So if the value of synths fluctuates, your debt may also change. This makes it a better fit for users who are familiar with DeFi protocols and comfortable managing risk. In my usage, I found the dashboard intuitive, but beginners might need time to understand the staking, minting, and claiming processes. The platform is feature-rich, but it's not necessarily beginner-friendly. It's best for experienced DeFi users looking for diversified exposure across multiple asset classes. Overall, Synthetix offers a unique way to access synthetic assets with zero slippage trades and lucrative staking rewards. But it requires a good grasp of DeFi concepts to fully utilize its potential. If you're ready to take on that learning curve, it's a powerful tool in the DeFi space.